I'm going to share what I do when I have to read a novel as part of coursework. For example, this novel, When Memory Dies by A. Shivanandan. Now, this novel has 3 parts. Book 1, then Book 2 and Book 3. Most of us will be able to manage just one reading of a novel. We won't even be able to finish a novel. So it is better to jump in directly to the note-making part. So what I usually do is, as soon as I start reading, I pick out the important facts and I write on the sidelines of the novel itself. And all these points here so that I can remember the important facts of the novel, and just before the exam I can quickly go through the book and understand the important events, and I won't lose track of the continuity of the novel. After writing on the sidelines of the book, there must be more important facts which I need to record and remember and memorize later on. So I usually keep a set of papers or a small slim book for each novel that I have to read. And what I do is I write down the details of the book first. Chapter 1, page 5. This particular novel, When Memory Dies, begins from page 5. And the chapter, all the important bits in that chapter, I refer to them and I write them down. Page 5, page 6. And then important details about the characters. I list everything, because later on I may not be able to remember all these facts. So whatever I find I think is important, the details about the character's physical appearance, what is his profession, and his relatives' names. For example, When Memory Dies is a novel which has a number of characters and it's very difficult to keep track of all the characters. So I make a list of all the characters I find on each chapter and how they are related to the protagonist. And then I continue with that page by page. Whatever is important, I record only the most important facts. And when I read, there are certain perspectives that come to my mind. For example, here what I have written is, why does he change? What is the motive? Here I am referring to Sahadevan. What are the changes in him? What is his motive for change? Then this is a novel which is based on Sri Lanka. It talks about the political development and all that. Then while I continue, sometimes certain bits of the novel might appear as likely essay questions. So I note that down also, and I just write explain, so that later on I can, if I find time, I can prepare a short answer for this. So this is what I usually do while preparing notes from novels, which makes the process of understanding and studying the novel easier. Thank you.